In this tutorial, I'm just going to go over the Photoshop tour that's actually built into Photoshop. So kind of a good way to learn this program. What I'm going to have you do is just open up Photoshop and then click on the little logo, and then you should have this little thing show up. If you don't have this show up in this Photoshop tour, go to Window, and you can click Learn, and then that little tab should show up hopefully. So we're going to go ahead and just double click on it to open it up. And there's about, looks like 9 different steps in here that I'm going to have you go through to just kind of learn the basics of this program. So all you have to do is just click Next, and then just kind of do what it tells you to do, or do what it tells you to say to do. And then just keep kind of going through that. So it's kind of a great way to get to learn this program a little bit better. And then when you're done with it, you'll eventually save what you've done. So I'm just kind of shooting through it right now, but you make sure you kind of read what it's telling you to do, just to kind of get some basic knowledge of this program, which can help you out in the long run. So I'm just kind of going through it. When you do get done with it, just save it as a Photoshop file, and then also have you save it as a JPEG too, and then that's what you'll put into your portfolio when you kind of get that going and stuff. So to do that, you just do File, Save As. So once you've done some things to it, do a File, Save As, and try and get creative with it. There's a part where you're going to put in your own image. So download something off the internet. But when you're done, you're just going to do a File, Save As, and then just save this as PhotoshopTour into your project folder. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this as 04, then PhotoshopTour is the name of this assignment, and then just put your initials at the end there, and just save that into your Photoshop folder, and then save it again and save it as a JPEG so that you can put that into your portfolio eventually. And hopefully you've kind of played around with it and had some fun with it, and you've learned some things, but you've also kind of manipulated it so that it is something that's more unique to you. And that's this assignment.